So we're going to use turn.
Yep, coming around this way.
And can we use that left automatic bay right here?
We want to do this one?
Yes.
Or that one?
This one right here.
This one right here, okay. This will be it. Let's find out how we pay. There's the instructions. Do we want the Express, Deluxe, or the good one, the works?
The top wash.
Okay, the best one.
Yeah,
yep.
The top.
Yep, okay. So let's do this. Oh, I see. Okay.
And that's the light.
Mm-hmm. The machine's not working good. Okay. Here we go.
We're at the Ryko Softgloss system.
Alright, we're pulling up now.
Looks like excess.
Hope it doesn't get stuck like the Dodge got stuck before, huh? So do we drive up into it?
Right up to that bump. But this is the same system as that other Exxon 711. It's the same system.
Keep going?
Yes.
Go over it?
Stop.
Okay.
Oh, drive. Stop.
Right there. Okay. Here we are. Roll your windows down.
No.
This is it.
They got onboard dryers.
Oh, good. Well, this is a very dirty Suburban today, so I'm hoping it gives a good wash.
Looks like it's just bubbles squirting everywhere. It's just bubbles.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's just water.
Yeah.
That was nice how the brushes didn't even fold the right mirror.
Oh,
they folded the
yes.
left one.
That's right. Should I turn the windshield wipers on right about now?
No.
Okay.
Coming back. The machine.
it done? Time to go?
No.
Back up?
No.
Go forward?
No.
Roll the windows down?
No.
Turn the radio on?
No.
Okay. So far, it seems like a pretty good car wash. What do you think, cameraman?
I think it's good.
Have we ever reviewed this one?
We haven't been to this bay.
Were you requested to review this one?
Yeah.
Good.
I've been to that car wash to that other car wash next door.
Okay.
You touchless. Nice how it rinses the soap off, guys. That's nice.
Okay, so this is a good one.
Yeah.
Okay.
The dryers are on. This actually a good wash.
Yes. You think this will get a good rating and good reviews?
Yeah.
Good. I think you're the best car wash reviewer in all of YouTube.
Yeah. It's coming back now.
Oh, I thought we were done.
It does 2 passes of dryer.
Okay. So this is drying right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Exit. Just drive.
Okay.
Drive forward.
Go backwards? All right, YouTubers.
That was a Ryko Softgloss system.
That was a Ryko Softgloss system. You gonna tell them thanks for watching?
Yeah, I will. Thanks for watching and bye. I'm gonna get my mirror out.
Yeah, please. Yeah, just give it a little push. All right.
Thanks for watching and bye.